Oh, Diver's doing a little bit of zen before he does the work. This is our backyard today, ladies and gentlemen. It's gorgeous all the way around. Then I look at this guy, I'm like, what am I doing?
I just pulled my strap off my mask.
Wow, Siri just picked up all that.
I do that sometimes. I'll be driving and I'll look down and it's like picked up the radio and be like typing all this crazy stuff like, if your penis problems, please call. And it's like all in my text message. I'm like, Jesus.